Okay, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we generate a consistent number of leads for our clients and for our own campaigns in Google Ads. So starting out with budget. So you got to make sure that you have enough budget, that you're putting enough ad spend into the account. So we recommend you spend upwards of £1,000 a month, £1,000, $1,000 a month, and that equates to about £30, £30 to £100 of ad spend a day. Now, depending on the niche, each niche has a different cost per click, so it depends on the industry. But as a general rule of thumb, we start at the sort of £20-30 a day range. Anything less than that, so if you only want to put down sort of £5, $5 a day, generally speaking, that's not enough to get the wheels moving inside Google Ads. The algorithm needs more budget to work with to learn what's working and all that. So on to the next one. Make sure you're targeting the right keywords. So the one of the most important things to get right is to make sure that you're going after the right keywords. The first thing to consider is there enough search volume for those keywords? And two of the main factors for search volume, again, niche, it depends on your niche. Some niches, some industries have a lot more search volume than others, but two of the main factors are location. So obviously in built-up areas, big cities, there'll be a lot more search volume for big cities than there will be for the countryside. But also seasonality. So certain industries such as, let's say, landscaping or lawn care will have more search volume in the summer months than in the winter months. So you've got to factor that in. Another thing to consider regarding keywords is making sure you get the intent right. So obviously if you're an emergency locksmith, let's say, you want to be targeting keywords such as emergency locksmith near me, because that is evidence of somebody looking for a service. So somebody has a problem with their lock and is looking for you, looking for a service, versus a keyword such as how to replace a lock. Well, that is somebody probably who wants to try and fix it themselves and that's researching how to do that. So you want to avoid those research keywords and you want to go after service-based keywords where it's obvious that somebody is looking for your service. So making sure you get the right keywords is very important for generating consistent leads. The next thing is making sure your landing page converts well. So when you get clicks from Google Ads, you need to send your clicks somewhere. Generally speaking, they either go to a website or a dedicated landing page. Now we find that dedicated landing pages convert a lot better. So poorly designed pages often convert at around 5% or less. So out of 100 clicks to that page, you might get 5 inquiries or less. Versus well-designed landing pages often convert at over 20%. So 100 people, 100 clicks to your website, 20% of those, you get 20 inquiries. So that makes a big difference. So the landing page design is instrumental in getting consistent leads to your business. So these three things are one of the three of the main things that we consider when we're setting up a campaign. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I hope you found that useful. Thanks.